Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce Mcleod and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today with number 3, It's Fall Y'all Swap Reveal. And this next artist that I am going to be featuring, her name is Nicole Mcleod, and the name of her business is Creative Looks by Anita, Handmade Jewelry. Okay, this is her business card right here, and I am going to make sure that I leave all of her information down inside the description box, so that just in case if you all see something that you want to buy or purchase or even get Nicole to make for you, you can do that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I want to give y'all a little bit of, tell y'all a little bit about Nicole. Nicole has been with me, been on here on the YT with me for a while now. A lot of these ladies that are in our group on Jewelry Talk Live and on our Authentic Creations group have been with me for a while. So I want to say, first of all, I want to say, Nicole, thank you so very much, sweetheart, for walking in your greatness and for allowing yourself to be a blessing to someone here in a group through your gifts and talents that the Most High has bestowed within you. So I'm going to pour her stuff out, y'all. This is her stuff. And like I said, this is her card. I'm going to make sure I have all her information down in the description box, okay? She has her info. Thank you for writing it out for me, Nicole. I greatly appreciate it. But she has this is her envelope. And she got more cards for me. I'm actually going to send the young lady, whoever gets this, and she sent in 3 swaps. Nicole, that was y'all let me read this card. So she had one here, Joyce. So let me read this card, well, this letter. And it says, thanks. It said, Mrs. Joyce, thanks for starting this group. When you don't have a lot of support, it makes it harder to keep yourself going. And that is so true. But there is some amazing talents in this group. So I say thank you again. Keep doing what you are doing. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much, Nicole. I greatly appreciate this so very much, because it's always good to show appreciation to anybody. You know, it's always good to show appreciation, and I thank you for that. I thank you so very much, Queen. I thank you so very much for just allowing yourself to be a part of this group, okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and get into her entries. And she had 3 of them here, y'all. So let's see what goodies she sent. I love these bags. They're clear. They have polka dots on them. I hope y'all can see. Okay. This is going to be the first one. Let's see what she has. And see, I haven't seen anything. So, oh wow, these are cute. Look at these. Let me hold this paper. Let me open this up. So each one of her items, she looks like she has her card in here. Oh, these are cute. Oh, wow. I like how they feel. They're nice and soft. Look at this. These have some gorgeous rhinestones on them. Look at this. These are really cute. Wow. I tell y'all doing it again. You ladies are doing it again. I have never seen anything like this. This is like a one-of-a-kind item. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's her first item. Making sure I put the cards back in I'm going to set that right here. We're going to go to the second one. Sorry about that, y'all. My hand got caught. So this is the second entry. Oh, wow. These are gorgeous. Some more earrings. Oh, these are really gorgeous. Wait a minute, hold up. Wow, Nicole, you put that right there. Look at these, y'all. Look at these. These are cute. These look like it looks like she crocheted them. Nicole do everything, y'all. She crochets, she make handbags, jewelry. She does a lot of things. These are gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. And I see you thinking outside the box, Nicole. I see. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome, awesome, awesome work, Queen. Love it. So y'all ain't gonna never have to worry about running out of jewelry to wear, because we keep continuing to do these swaps. You're gonna have a whole lot of jewelry to wear. And it's always good to have on another artistry, okay? It's always good to wear somebody else's jewelry, because you know it adds. Wait a minute, no, that didn't have a card. Okay, so I'm gonna set that back over here. Spread the love, y'all. Spread the love. So this is the very last one. And like I said, I'm loving these bags. Look at these bags. They're very, very cute. And this is the last one. Oh, now this is... See, I told y'all she does... Let me move this. She does a number of different things. And these look like these are crochet earrings. Wow. Look at these. Look at these. Gorgeous. Wow, Nicole. These are really, really cute. Wow, look at those, y'all. They're different and cute. Okay, so on that note, I'm going to say, Nicole, thank you so much, Queen, for allowing yourself to participate in this swap. We greatly appreciate all your gifts and talents. We thank you so very much. And like I said, once again, y'all are outdoing yourselves with these swaps. The work I'm seeing is phenomenal. Put together. It's not sloppy. I'm loving it. I am loving it. So, Nicole, thank you so very much, Queen, for participating. I greatly appreciate you taking part in this. And this, it's for y'all swap. And if y'all stay tuned, I'm going to have another swap coming up shortly, probably within the next couple of hours. So with that being said, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you are new to this platform, please subscribe to this channel. And you subscribe by hitting the all button that is up on the side. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and give it a thumbs up. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.